Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a 2025 Nissan Frontier where we've installed the standard ditch light kit. I want to show you exactly how much light you get with this product. So these are your factory low beams, these are your factory high beams, and this is the ditch light kit. Ditch lights are very beneficial because you can have them aimed either straight forward or you can have them aimed outward. When having them aimed outward, it does give you a wider beam pattern when combined with something like a light bar. So this is just a light bar, and this is just with ditch lights. Ditch lights give you extra visibility either ahead of the vehicle or off to the side. Perfect for lighting up the edges of the trail, spotting obstacles, and filling the blind spots. These ditch lights offer main white light and amber daytime running lights. During the day, you get the amber backglow, and when it's dark, turn on the powerful white light. So once again, these are your factory low beams, these are your factory high beams, these are your ditch lights, and this is a light bar with some ditch lights. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out our step-by-step installation instructions so that way you can get the confidence that you need to install this product yourself. You guys are going to absolutely love it.